Okay. If you don't know, you don't know.
Now you know!
Hey, man, get your partner off of me!
You better tell her what she wants to know.
You got 3 seconds to talk!
I don't. She's in my basement! She's in my basement!
I swear, Cat, if I were you, I'd just punch me right in the face.
Ow! Cat!
What?
You just punched me in the face!
You said to. I know an old man named Parnell. His wife says things to him like, "Hey, Parnell, you want to eat some pancakes on a rocket ship?"
Nobody ever knows what you're talking about.
You have man breath. Oh, hi.
Hey, what's up?
Sup? What's up is, looks like you guys forgot to invite me to your little get-together.
No, we were just about to text you.
Just about. I also noticed I wasn't invited to go with you guys to the movies last night either.
It was a horror movie.
You hate horror movies.
So, I hate spiders too. But if a spider was having a birthday party, I could swing by for some cake.
Cat, wait, come back. Hang out with us. Sit down.
Oh, no, thank you. I'll be sitting elsewhere with Dice and Nona. Jealous? Should be. Whoa, Tori.
Hey, Cat.
Cool outfit.
Thanks. What you got there?
It's my sack of bibble. It's really heavy, so I put it in a wagon.
And you needed to bring all of it to school?
I can't help it. It's so good.
Can't believe Mason bought you this much.
This isn't even the sack he got me.
What?
I finished that one. I went back and bought 2 more sacks. I think I might have a bibble problem.
Well, it is pretty good stuff.
Don't touch it! My bibble. Did you just say you wanted a face full of trumpet?
What do you mean, face full of...
Robbie Shapiro!
Oh, Cat, you're back. Robbie was just singing me a little song he wrote called...
I know what it's called. He wrote that song for me.
Cat!
I'm swell, me!
A girl doesn't dye her hair that color unless she has psychological problems.
My hair color has nothing to do with my psychological problems.
Don't you use that tone with me, young
You said a
lady.
bunch of mean things
well,
to me.
My
My
mother
mom
allow
thinks
that.
it's
Okay, you're
Oh, for my
dead body.
Mommy has to
Would
tell
I
you
let
that
my
we're just
grandson
friends.
ever marry?
Hi! Ew, Jade, your outfit's all dirty.
Oh, no. No, I'll never win the prison beauty pageant.
Wait, they have that?
Where have you been?
I joined a prison gang!
What do you mean?
Well, this group of really mean, tough prison ladies said I'm cute and funny, so they invited me to join their prison gang.
And you said yes?
Uh-huh. I told the gang ladies I'm gonna make us all special t-shirts. Jade asked me to make her eyebrows look nice, so I tried to wax them, but when I took the wax strips off, there was, a problem.
My eyebrows are gone.
No, they're not! I told you they're right here!
Hey, Cat.
Tori just said, hey to me.
You know we're supposed to be shooting our film right now for class?
Tori just reminded me about our short film. #don't care.